Today we have 2 new products from Fifine. These items were graciously sent to us and we are so grateful to have the opportunity to check these out. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about the Fifine Tank 3 dynamic microphone and the BM66 Boom Arm stand. This is going to be the first time I'm trying a boom arm from Fifine. All the audio you're hearing from this video on out is going to be on the Tank 3, which I'm actually using right now. So let me walk you guys through my first impressions, getting this set up to my PC, and give you guys my thoughts about the mic and the boom arm stand. Let's get started. So the BM66 has a plastic and metal build, and what I'm really excited about is how sturdy it appears to be. The best part about this is it has cable management sleeves, which is something that I definitely need. I'm gonna set this up on the opposite side just so that we can compare, and maybe this angle actually works a little bit better for me. This is what the undermount looks like for what you're gonna clamp onto your desk, and I'm just gonna twist it here. Hopefully you can still hear me. Alright, I just got this screwed on to the corner of the desk. I am now going to put the actual boom arm onto the mount. It is giving me a little bit of a hard time. So this is a PSA for everybody. When I unboxed the BM66, I saw that they included an Allen wrench, and I didn't understand why, because there wasn't really any screws. Evidently, it was actually exactly what I needed. It is to loosen the bottom piece of the mount, and the boom arm very effortlessly fit. So we are good to go. All right, we're back in business. We now have the mic and boom arm stand set up. I actually ended up moving it back to the left side, which is where I had my original mount. And it was because the USB cord is not long enough, so I wouldn't be able to route it to the right side. So far, I really love the cable management. I, at first glance, thought everything was just plastic on the outside, and that was fine. But as I looked closer, I actually saw that it had the rubber pieces that you can pull back so that you can fit like thicker cords, such as an XLR cable. I only have the USB-C, which we'll get to in just a moment. So far, it was very easy to put together. Just don't miss the first step like I did, which is loosening the base mount in order to actually fit the arm itself. It looks so sleek. I love that it's still a metal arm, makes it very durable, and yet lightweight because of the plastic pieces around it. So very happy with this mount, and I think it looks great with the mic setup. Let's switch gears and talk about the Fifine Tank 3 microphone. So this is the Fifine Tank 3, and it is currently Fifine's highest end microphone model. It is a dynamic mic designed with noise reduction and shock absorption in order to remove unwanted background noise. The build itself is mostly metal as well, apart from the plastic dials that we have for the headphone volume as well as the gain. XLR and USB-C compatible. I also received it with a USB-C cable, which is awesome. I love the Fifine cables because they're extra long, and they're perfect for the length of my desk setup at home. When I opened this from the box, I was somewhat surprised that it only came with the mic and the mount that you attach to the boom arm and nothing else. It doesn't come with a stand, so it is something that you want to pick up a boom arm for unless you already have one, or if you already have a mic stand as well. But I can say that the quality definitely speaks for itself, and the best part is it comes at a fraction of the cost of other high-end microphone brands out there. All right, let's talk facts and figures. We've talked about the BM66 boom arm in the beginning of this video. You guys have seen me install it. Now let's actually look at costs of both of these. BM66 is only going to cost you about $56.99 right now, which I think is an excellent price point for the quality that you're getting. Again, I can't stop raving about how much I love how clean it looks, especially with the cable management, but also just how the stand looks itself. It doesn't stand out in an awkward way. I don't think it's too bulky, so I'm very happy with this boom arm. I think you can compare this to the Shure boom arm, and that sets you back around $100 maybe. And then you could also compare this to the Rode boom arm, which I think looks somewhat similar, and that can set you back around $129. So again, Fifine comes at a fraction of the price with the boom arms. So I definitely think it is very, very good bang for your buck. So if you're looking to pick up the Tank 3, this is going to set you back $79, which again, compared to its other high-end model competitors on the market, as far as dynamic mics, it'll definitely be in the hundreds range as well. But I think the quality speaks for itself. Good for someone who's looking for something minimalist, yet sounds very, very clean and crisp. And hopefully this video was able to show you a little bit more about how it sounds in a natural speaking environment and also on stream, which is what most of you guys will probably be looking at this for. And that is all I have for today for the Fifine Tank 3 and the BM66 Boom Arm stand. I hope you guys had a lot of fun hanging out with us today, or at least found this information helpful. If you did, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below and subscribe for more tech and gear related videos. Let me know if you guys have any questions about the mic and the boom arm stand today. Make sure to leave those comments down below and I will try my best to answer them or work on another video for you guys if that is something that you'd like to see. So let me know. That is all for me today. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.